Hello, this is Shawnee's Green. I'm coming to you with a message. The message is 2018 is the year of the entrepreneurs. Okay, I have a system, Infinity Profit System, I'm so excited about. I'm happy to share with everyone. It's a system that's designed to take your business to the next level. Whether you're starting out now or you've been in the game for a while, it's here for you. It's here for you to profit. Okay, we have a dashboard that tells you everything. We have a support system. We have a systems tutorial. You go through, you get to know the system for yourself. We also have a My Money segment where you go in, you set up how you want to be paid. Okay, and the best part of this is you get residual income. You know what I'm saying? If you know what I mean, you know what I'm saying. We get residual income. So I am very excited right now to bring people onto my team and my team members that's already here. This is the year for us. We will profit. I'm just thanking everyone in advance. I thank you for joining me. I thank you for riding with me. I thank you. I thank you, thank you, thank you. And something I've always said, if I had 1,000 tongues, I couldn't thank him enough. Okay, so you guys come on with me. Let's do the doggone thing and let's get this paper. So you guys be blessed and don't forget, give someone a hug because everyone needs a hug. Bye-bye.